Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best solar system model kit is probably one of the most fascinating ways to explore our cosmic neighborhood. This kit allows you to build your own miniature solar system, offering a hands-on experience that brings the planets, their orbits, and the vastness of space right into your home. Join me as we dive into the details of this amazing kit, exploring its features and what makes it a stellar choice for anyone interested in astronomy. Number 5. 4M Solar System Planetarium Model 3427. This amazing kit allows you to build your own planetarium. It's a fun and educational way to learn about the planets. You can assemble, paint, and discover the solar system. The set comes with everything you need. It includes planets, stencils, glow-in-the-dark paint, and more. It's a great way to spark curiosity about space. Inside, you'll find planets, stencils, a glow paint pen, rods, string, a wall chart, and quiz questions. The instructions are easy to follow. It's a complete package for young astronomers. This planetarium doesn't require any batteries. It's ready to go right out of the box. It's a simple and engaging activity for kids. This is perfect for kids aged 8 and up. It's a great way to encourage their interest in science. The kit challenges their imagination. 4M offers a wide range of educational toys. They cover science, arts and crafts, and robotics. They are designed to make learning fun and engaging. What we like. This kit is all about hands-on learning. It includes everything you need to build and paint your own solar system model. If you're looking for a classic, educational experience that doesn't require batteries, this is a great choice. It's perfect for young astronomers eager to explore the cosmos. What people say. My first grader loved it and was able to learn from the 3D, hands-on experience. It comes non-painted and a person must paint the planets and place them on the stand. The Earth and Moon pieces are in two halves that click together easily. The kit comes with etched printing on both pieces, with the Earth showing continents and islands to help with painting. One of the best features of this kit is that the Earth spins and the Moon rotates around it, which makes it fun for kids. Number 4. 4M Solar System Mobile Making Kit. This kit lets you build your own glow-in-the-dark solar system. It's a fun and educational STEM toy for kids and teens. They can express their creativity while learning about astronomy. The planets snap together easily, requiring minimal assembly. It's designed to be simple and fun for everyone. This makes the whole process much easier. Design your own solar system and make it unique. The finished mobile is perfect for hanging in a bedroom, or it can be used as a static display. It's a great way to decorate and learn. Watch as your solar system glows in the dark. It's a fascinating and engaging experience. This adds an extra layer of fun to the learning process. Full assembly and painting instructions are included. You'll also receive a poster packed with fun solar system facts. This will help you learn more about the planets. What we like. This kit offers a quick and easy assembly process. The glow-in-the-dark feature adds a fun, visual element, and the mobile design makes it perfect for display. If you like a simple, yet engaging project that can brighten up a room, this mobile kit is ideal for you. What people say. Easy to paint, assemble and hang. The mobile is easy to put together. The fact that the mobile spins slowly in the slightest breeze, like closing the door, just makes it more authentic. Number 3. National Geographic Kids Solar System Art Kit. Introducing the National Geographic Kids Solar System Art Kit. This amazing kit lets kids explore their creativity while learning about the wonders of space. It's a fun and educational experience for everyone. Inside, you'll find everything needed to create stunning window art or a hanging mobile. The kit includes acrylic sun and planets, paints, suction cups, and hanging supplies. This set has it all. Kids can build their very own solar system, complete with glow-in-the-dark planets. It's perfect for decorating a room with a unique space theme. They will love how it lights up at night. Once the planets are painted, use the included supplies to create a suncatcher window art or a hanging mobile. The kit provides everything needed to showcase their artwork. It's a fantastic display. This kit includes a detailed learning guide with facts about the planets and the history of stained glass art. It's a fun way to learn while creating something beautiful. The guide will help them learn a lot. National Geographic is committed to providing high-quality, educational toys. This kit is backed by exceptional service and a commitment to your satisfaction. Get yours today. What we like. This kit provides a unique way to decorate and learn. You can create window art or a hanging mobile, and the included learning guide adds an educational component. If you are looking for a craft that combines art and education, this kit is a fantastic option. What people say. Such a fun gift idea for kids that love dinosaurs. Super cute and educational. I especially liked that there was a little booklet in there with fun facts. This kit has a good variety with 10 different dinosaurs, no duplicates, and they come with suction cup hooks to hang on the window. The glow-in-the-dark paint was a big draw for us. Number 2. Playz Solar System Model Kit. This amazing kit from Playz lets kids explore the solar system. It features a 4-speed motor and a planetarium projector, making learning fun and engaging. With over 75 parts, this kit provides a hands-on experience. The included instruction manual makes assembly intuitive, teaching kids about science and engineering. Kids can paint their own planets with the included set. Or, they can use the high-quality laser-painted planets. It's perfect for school projects. The Sun is a portable HD projector. It projects 8 planets onto any surface. Many kids use it as a night light or flashlight. Playz is committed to quality. If you're not happy with the product, contact us for a refund. We stand behind our products. What we like. This kit stands out with its motorized system and planetarium projector. The DIY assembly process makes it a fun and educational project. If you want a dynamic and visually impressive model that brings the solar system to life, you should consider this one. What people say. He loves that the planets orbit around the Sun and that he was able to paint some and also use the ones the kit comes with. The Sun was cool because it's a projector. It came with a booklet with even more information and facts on the planets. Number 1. National Geographic Solar System Diamond Painting Night Light. This amazing kit lets kids design their own outer space night light. It comes with everything they need to create a unique and colorful decoration for their room. It's a fun and creative activity for kids. The night light features 7 different colors and dimmer settings. Children can easily set the perfect ambience for bedtime. It even looks great during the day. With the space-themed wrap and colorful gemstones, it's easy for kids to decorate. 2 styluses are included, so friends and siblings can join in the fun. They can create their own unique designs. The kit includes a color-changing lid, light jar, over 1,000 gems in 7 colors, 2 styluses, a solar system light wrap, and a micro USB power cord. It has everything needed to create a spectacular night light. It's simple for kids to operate, with one on-off button and one to cycle through the 8 color modes. The power button also adjusts the brightness. It's easy to use. This is a high-quality, hands-on science toy. It is backed by exceptional service and a commitment to your satisfaction. It's a great gift for kids. What we like. This kit combines creativity with functionality, allowing you to create a custom night light. The easy operation and multiple color modes make it user-friendly. If you like a creative project that results in a practical and decorative item, this night light kit is a great choice. What people say. He had a blast decorating it and it's great quality. It was easy to assemble everything and it's displayed nicely in his space-themed room. This was a great independent craft for our 7-year-old. He tends to get overwhelmed, but this was a great balance of follow directions, be creative and focus without too many unnecessary steps and tasks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.